everyone, it's Crystal here, and today I'm just going to quickly go over the 5 ways to get your solicitor to like you. So of course when you instruct a solicitor, they are going to be acting in your best interest at all times. However, it can be helpful if you do end up instructing a solicitor that you follow these 5 things just to make the experience a little bit more pleasant for both of you. So number 1, read your documents carefully. When you receive the documents from your solicitor, whether that's welcome letters or letters advising you what documents you need to sign when it comes to completion of a purchase, for example, your solicitor has taken the time to prepare those documents. So it is in your best interest to read through that information and make sure that you are happy with the contents of those forms before you sign anything and legally bind yourself to anything in future. Number 2, don't treat emails like instant messenger. So I know we're in the modern day where we send a message to someone and we expect a response almost instantly. There's services like Amazon out there, and I know if you're placing an order online or if you want to get in touch with someone from customer service, you want a response straight away. However, don't forget that when you instruct your solicitor and you communicate with them, there's loads of people that they need to be communicating with. So they're communicating with you, they're communicating with estate agents, solicitors, mortgage brokers, lenders, other third parties such as management companies, plus the legal job of going through all the title documentation, raising inquiries, plus all the legal admin that goes with it. So when you are sending an email to your solicitor, where possible, do try and get all your questions into one email so we can answer those as efficiently as possible and as quickly as we can for you. Number 3, don't leave potentially important information till last minute. So if you do have any questions or anything relating to a change in purchase price that you're thinking of doing, then let your solicitor know as soon as possible so we can manage your expectations. And if there is anything that we need to do, for example amend or change forms, then we have time to do that before we complete. Number 4, if you are unsure about anything, then just ask your solicitor with any questions you might have. And finally, number 5, just be kind. Remember that your solicitor is a human being. We're not robots, we're not just pushing buttons, we are there to help you. And at the end of the day, we've got friends, family, we come to work, we want to help people. Some of these transactions, they can go on for weeks or months, and if you don't get off to a good start with your solicitor at the beginning, it can be very unpleasant for both of you. Those are the 5 things that I do recommend that you do in order to get your solicitor to like you. However, of course, they will act in your best interest at all time, which I mentioned previously. If you have any further questions or want to share your experience about solicitors you've instructed in the past, then just feel free to comment below. Thanks for listening.